Welcome to Siplink Cloud PBX. We will provide the URL, username and password to monitor the portal. Dashboard Chat section. From this chat section you can able to send and receive messages and documents internally with your team. Users section. From this section you can able to create, delete number of users extensions as per your need. You can able to make a calls through the portal using web dialer. No need to install any other applications. Auto attendant is commonly used in telephony to describe a voice menu system that allows callers to be transferred to an extension without going through a telephone operator or receptionist. The auto attendant is also known as a digital receptionist. Call queue lets you handle incoming calls and places them in line to be answered when your team is busy with other calls. Callers hear on hold music or announcements until the next available agent can answer their call. Voicemail to email is a business phone system feature that records a voicemail as an audio file, commonly MPG or WAV format, and sends it to an email address. The recipient is then able to download the file right from their email and play it using a media player on their smartphone or PC. Voicemail. When you can't accept a call, under any conditions, voice message prompts the client to state something in your non-attendance that you can tune into later. Voicemail service in Voip has two main functions. The first is to answer phone calls and the other is sending a message to a user's mailbox rather than calling him up first. Live calls area. From this section you can able to view the live calls of your users. Numbers and extensions. From this section you can able to view the numbers mapped on your users. And you can view total number of extensions. CDR, call detail records. From this section you can able to view the call logs history in detail. You can also export the CDR reports in CSV file. Call recordings. From this section you can listen, download and delete the call recordings. Bulk call recordings also available. Visit our website www.siplink.in. Siplink, your trusted VoIP partner.